Good morning, children. In today's class, we will revise chapter 2, Food, Health and Hygiene. Under this topic, we will know about diseases and its type. Children, let us know what is disease. Disease is abnormal condition in which the body is not able to carry out all its function properly. They may be due to eating unbalanced diet or lack of exercises. Children, diseases may be of two types, non-communicable and communicable disease. Non-communicable diseases do not spread from infected person to healthy person. Children, deficiency of nutrients causes this type of disease. Now let us know about them one by one. Children, this is night blindness in which you cannot see well in dim light. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, and sources of vitamin A are milk, spinach, carrot, tomato, etc. Children, this is beriberi, and this disease is caused due to deficiency of B1. In this disease, people have scaly skin and extreme weakness. Sources of vitamin B1 are unpolished rice, milk, egg, meat and other things. Children, this is scurvy, and in this swelling and bleeding in the gums occur, and this disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. And sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits like lemon, orange, amla and tomato. Children, here you can see the picture of bending of legs, and it happens due to weak and soft bones. Children, it is due to deficiency of vitamin D, and sources of vitamin D are vegetables, egg, fishes and sunlight. And children, name of this disease is rickets. This is a picture of goiter. In this disease, swelling in the glands in the neck is found, and this disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Sources of iodine are seafood and iodized salt. Children, this is a disease of anemia. In this disease, red blood cells are not formed, so the person looks pale and feel tiredness. It is caused due to the deficiency of iron, and the sources of iron are leafy vegetables, cereals, meat, etc. Children, next type of disease is communicable disease, and these diseases are very infectious as they pass from infected person to healthy person, and these diseases are caused by microbes or germs such as bacteria, protozoa, virus and fungi. Children, communicable diseases spread through air, food, water, insects or direct contact with the sick person. Now children, let us learn how can we prevent communicable disease. The first very important thing is education. Children, education brings awareness and people will learn how to protect themselves from the disease. Second very important thing is, if the person is suffering from communicable disease, should be kept in a separate room, or you can say he should be isolated. Third important thing is sanitization. Children, we should spray DDT and other chemicals to kill germs, so we can sanitize the area to prevent the communicable disease. Children, fourth important point to prevent the communicable disease is vaccination. Children, vaccination is a technique to develop the ability of a body to fight against diseases. We can stop spreading of germs by following clean and healthy practices, and this is called hygiene. Step to maintain cleanliness and good health are taking bath every day, keeping surrounding clean, keeping food covered, and use clean safe water for drinking and cooking. Children, we should exercise regularly to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Regular exercises improve our blood circulation. So we should play and do the exercises. Children, remember that proper rest and exercises make us healthy. So be healthy, be safe. Thank you.